Hi, I'm Gail Wilson, the Junky Chalker. Today we're going to talk about some projects you can do using Chalkology paste. This first project is very simple using any surface that you already have. You apply the transfer. It's a screen print transfer and you can apply it because it's a little sticky. You will spread out your Chalkology paste using one of our many tools. For faster coverage, you can use a squeegee and you spread it out, making sure you get all the nooks and crannies. Once you spread it evenly, you scrape off the excess and put it back into the jar. Then you carefully reveal the perfect project. This is not a stencil, it's a screen print transfer. Here are some other projects you can do using the chalk paste and chalk ink. The chalk paste is semi-permanent, meaning that it will wash off and you can simply do another sentiment on your project when you're tired of it. On cloth, such as tote bags and t-shirts, you can use Chalkology ink. Heat setting it makes it permanent. The ideas are endless. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to answer any question or sign you up to become your own independent designer. Yes, work for yourself and not someone else.